Welcome to Just Drunk White Girl. I'm Just Drunk White Girl, and happy Singles Awareness Day. So, Rob, David, and Vino have given us yet another challenge, this time for a Valentine's Day cocktail, with the rules being that it has to have a chocolate garnish and it has to be pink, and we have to use the hashtag and it has to be posted by March 1st. I'm going to try to get this one up on Valentine's Day, but it probably won't happen because I am currently filming this on the 13th. Valentine's Day really isn't my favorite holiday in the whole world. Not only have I been single every single Valentine's Day for the last 6 years, but also this Valentine's Day will mark my 6th year anniversary of being divorced. That is not a joke. We literally ended up getting our final divorce papers on Valentine's Day. Yeah. Because my life is a dark romantic comedy with a terrible ending, apparently. I've not always had the best love life. So, I'm trying to think of the perfect cocktail to commemorate Valentine's Day for me. I looked over the rules and realized that technically none of the rules say that it actually has to be a cocktail. So today we are making the Single Awareness Day shooter, or the SAD shooter for short. Alright, so first things first, shot glass. Thus, having a shot glass is considered very important to making a shooter. So since one of the rules is that it has to have a chocolate garnish, I got these chocolate melting wafers, heated them up in the microwave, and we are just going to take our shot glass and just stick it right in there and just swirl it all around and get a nice chocolatey rim. Next, because this is all about making me feel happier, and glitter makes me feel happy, I have this edible pink glitter here, and we are just going to decorate the rim by sprinkling a wee bit of it over. Whoopsies. Just a wee bit of it. You just dip some of that in there. Oops. Yeah, that works. And now we have a very pink, pretty, chocolatey shot glass to make a pink chocolatey shot in. Next, grab a shaker tin or a glass. We're not really going to shake this, we're just going to stir it around a little bit. Add some ice just to make it nice and, because, you know, shots always taste better when they're cold. And a jar. Now we are going to take 1/2 an ounce of Grenadine, preferably the alcoholic kind. Dump that in there. 1/2 ounce of Creme de Cacao, or Cacao, wait, how do you say it? Creme de Cacao. We're just gonna go with Creme de Cacao. You know, the clear kind, so that it makes your drink nice and pink. And then we are going to do 3/4 of Pinnacle whipped vodka. Alright, do a little shaky, shaky, stirry, stirry type thing there, or you can actually stir it up. I usually just, this is mostly just to like chill it more so than anything else, so you don't really want to like dilute it too much. And then add it to your shot glass. And there you have it, a Singles Awareness Day shooter, or a SAD shooter for short. Cheers! Even that delicious, I still can't do a full shot. But that tastes amazing. It kind of tastes like a chocolate covered cherry, but better, in my opinion. But I'm not a big cherry fan, so. It tastes so much like not alcohol at all. which is great because that way you can drink a whole bunch of them, just get really messed up on Valentine's Day. No, in all seriousness, I don't find Valentine's Day to be like a particularly depressing holiday, but I do feel like I have every right in the world to act as bitter as humanly possible. If anybody has the right to be bitter on Valentine's Day, it's the girl that got her divorce papers on Valentine's Day. But at this point in my life, I mostly just do it as a joke. So, you know, laugh at my pain with me. That was delicious. Alright, and that's all that we have to. It's a pretty short video, I feel like. I feel like this was a very short video. I should have gone into more of the reasons why I have had a terrible love life. Oh, you guys don't even want to know some of the things. My life is a dark romantic comedy. And I really mean that in the most sincere of ways. It is an antsy rom-com. Still hilarious, but you know, just in the most depressing of ways. I'm really trying to think of like a good, I don't think that there's like a good, appropriate story to explain why I feel that way. I can't think of one. Because like, the more lighthearted end of the spectrum would be, I mean, you know, getting my divorce papers on Valentine's Day. Then there would probably be the time when I started to fall for my roommate's boyfriend's best friend, who up until that point I kind of absolutely hated with every fiber of my being. But you know, right whenever he was supposed to move in with us is when I decided to start liking him, because that was very convenient and definitely didn't go bad at all. Nope, totally not. Yeah, no, I can't really tell that story either. You know, yeah, really most of them are just like, I can't even get into most of them because they're just too like, either very personal or extremely dark. So if you're like me and absolutely hate Valentine's Day and are planning on spending it alone, like me, just, you know, have a good time, celebrate yourself, and pour yourself a few sad shots. You know, I probably should think of a better name for that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave this video a like and subscribe to my channel for more of my drunken antics and occasional recipes. And whether you're single and alone, like me, or you know, one of those people that like have someone who loves them or whatever, have a fantastic Valentine's Day. Laugh at my pain with me, it's fine. Just shove my phone down here so I can print in like I'm not looking at it for reference at all. Definitely not. Why is this like... Anyway. My light like started like kind of... Like this video if you hate Valentine's Day.